Everyone is ready? Please settle down. You don't have to control your mind, or you don't have to concentrate. Nothing needs to be done. Just sit with your eyes closed. That's enough. Close your eyes. You don't even need to tie the ribbon. Just close your eyes and sit. Sadashivoham Shiva 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 Dundi Ganesha Kashika Devi Kalabhairava Vishwanatha Annapurani Shanaishwara Sadashiva Mokshadayini Gange Mokshadayini Gange Shambhavi மூலாதாரத்து முண்டெடு கணலே விழித்தழு சங்கார நாரோடு சந்தாதம் லயித்திருக்க சகசிராரம் நோக்கி பொங்கிடு சங்கரி Om Ham Om Shivaya Namah 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 Om Ka Ye ला ह्री हा सा का हा ला ह्रीं ह्रीं सा ला ह्रीं ह्रीं कुंडलिनी कुलकुंडलिनी कुलकुंडलिनी जगन्माता काशिका देवी गंगा उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत ओम हां ओम शिवाय नमः 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 शिवाय नमः
ईशानमूर्ताय सदाशिवाय तत्पुरुष वक्त्राय महेश्वराय अघोरहृदयाय रुद्रेश्वराय वामेश्वराय स्थितिकारणाय सत्यस्वरूपाय सृजनेश्वराय स्वागतं स्वागतं स्वामिन् ते स्वागतम् अस्माकं हृदये भोः सुस्वागतं ते स्वागतं स्वागतं स्वामिन् ते स्वागतम् अस्माकं हृदये भोः सुस्वागतं ते ब्रह्मस्वरूपं शिवशक्तिऐक्यं डमरुककरतिरुशूलम् आह्वानहस्तं काषाय वस्त्रं राजसन्न्यासं वन्देहं परमहंस नित्यानन्द सद्गुरुम् श्री जगद्गुरु स्वागतं स्वागतं स्वामिन् ते स्वागतम् अस्माकं हृदये भोः सुस्वागतं ते स्वागतं स्वागतं स्वामिन् ते स्वागतम् अस्माकं हृदये भोः सुस्वागतं ते संसारे आरण्य अत्यन्तकारे मेतु कौमुदी गुरुरेव शरणं संसारे आरण्य अत्यन्तकारे मेतु कौमुदी गुरुरेव शरणं द्वन्द्वस्य जालेनु तप्तोऽहं पाहि मामद्वैतमौषधं गुरुपाद शरणं द्वन्द्वस्य जालेनु तप्तोऽहं पाहि मामद्वैतमौषधं गुरुपाद शरणं पूर्णिमनायक प्रदाय कल्याणन्द गुरवे शरणं भक्तिप्रदायकं पापविमोचकम् आगमज्ञानद भवलोकवेशकम्
Shiva, 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 Om Ham Ham Shivaya Namaya Namah. 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 Kundalini, Jaganmata, Kula Kundalini, Jaganmata, Om Ham Ham Shivaya Namah. 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 Sada Shiva, Sada Shiva, Sada Shiva. Relax. You can open your eyes. Inhale and exhale deeply. Drink little water. Settle down so that we can move to the next process. Inhale and exhale deeply, as deep as possible. Drink little water. If you have any questions regarding this first process, you are welcome. I'll clarify, then move to the process.
Nandam Swamiji, my mind started wandering all over the place.
That is okay, don't worry. You are not expected to control your mind, and I am also not working with your mind, I am working with your biomemory. See, mind is different, biomemory is different. Let me tell you very clearly. Your day-to-day habits, like how you take bath, eat, brush, smoke, all these day-to-day habits gets recorded in muscle memory. And if you miss any of that, if you miss brushing, the muscles will feel uncomfortable. If you miss coffee, muscles will feel uncomfortable because they only get recorded in muscle memory. But the deeper habits, like how you cognize you, do you feel yourself as a powerful person or powerless person, courageous or weak, brilliant or cunning? How you cognize you, that gets recorded in biomemory. And your biomemory need to be changed. Your mind is only functioning in the level of muscle memory. Your mind is not deeper like biomemory. Understand? Biomemory, if it is transformed, mind will automatically become silent. For example, now you are saying mind is wandering. What is the source of the wandering if you see? Some greed or some fear, some confusion. That pattern of greed, pattern of fear, pattern of confusion is stored only in biomemory. So now, I am working on your biomemory. The energy centers, which I say that Muladhara, Swadhisthana, all the energy centers, there only biomemory gets stored. So, your mind neither need to be controlled, nor you need to struggle with your mind. Suddenly you will see mind is relaxed, because the biomemory which agitates your mind will be healed. That will be completed. So I am working on your biomemory.
Thank you, Swamiji.
So you will see in 1 or 2 sessions, suddenly you will see, you will tell, oh Swamiji, I never expected I can be so silent. I am all the time agitated. I don't know how I am sitting for hours. Ask the IA participants for how many hours they are sitting. And there are many people who are workaholic, whole day, the working lifestyle people. But how they sit for hours. So I am working on your biomemory, not on your muscle memory. Your mind is superficial only to the level of muscle memory. Your mind does not have a depth into biomemory. The biomemory is your cognition about you. Your difficulties are not from cognition, because cognition is too deep, it is unreachable for you. If the cognition is changed, mind will automatically settle down. The difficulty which you express now is not from the level of biomemory, it's from the level of mind only. But the source of this problem is in the biomemory. The difficulty you expressed itself is not in biomemory. The source, the reason for this problem is from biomemory. You understand the difference between? So, I am not working with your mind now, with your muscle memory. I am working with your biomemory. Biomemory is the confused, chaotic recording of sound and visualizations. So that is why I create much better chaos, much bigger chaos. See, when the children, when they cry, the best way to stop them crying is you shout loud, they will settle down. So, with your biomemory, the sound I am creating will just stun your biomemory, will stun that energy centers. Only then I utter those mantras, the sacred syllables, which gets inside your biomemory and starts working in you like a acid cleaning. Actually, the music and this drum is not sacred. That is only to stun your energy center. Your energy center will not know how to respond. Some confused, chaotic, what is going on, what is he doing? So when it is stunned, it is easy for me to send the sounds, the sacred sounds, which I am uttering, the mantras which I utter, the gods, goddesses' names I utter. That is the sacred sound which directly enters into your biomemory and starts working there. Understand? Yes. The drum sound or that music we play is not to work on your biomemory. They will only stun you or confuse you. Just make you disoriented. What is going on? I don't understand. Then once you are standing like that, then I can send the mantra, the sound, the sacred sound into your biomemory, which will heal it, which will complete you.